Hey everybody, good morning. A little bit unusual this week. I'm down at our family's lake house. It's a lot of fun down here, but we're not going to be doing anything exactly like we normally do as far as featuring some type of a home repair. But I wanted just to show you around things, kind of my morning routine here. First thing I do is I kind of come down and put the boat down, kind of lower the lift, kind of get everything ready so we can get going here in a little bit. In just a couple of minutes here, I'm gonna show you guys. See in the background, we've got some different colors of paint on the house. So we're actually giving our house here a little facelift, and we added on to the side there. So we're gonna need you guys to weigh in on some opinions about paint colors. So maybe you can do that in a couple minutes. So anyway, how's it going for everybody? I hope everybody's well. As far as doing home maintenance, we've got a couple of tips from last week, or not tips, but requests from last week about things that we could feature. We're looking forward to doing that soon. It's a beautiful day here, and I hope you guys are enjoying this weekend as well. So the main reason we're down here is because we dropped my wife and my daughter off at our church retreat that they're having down at Lake of the Ozarks, and the rest of us just kind of came over to the house, and we're just going to play around a little bit. So it's a lot of fun. They're enjoying their time, and we're going to go pick them up here in a few hours. You can see in the background here, we've got the paint on the house. So what do you guys think about these colors? So we got the one in the lower corner that's kind of a dark green. Then we've got the one that's sort of broader on the area there that's kind of a limeish green. And then we got one up in the corner above the dark one. So let's take them in that order. Number one is the dark green. Number two is the broader color there that's on most of the space. Then number three is going to be right up there in that corner. So what do you guys think? Any opinions? We're looking for opinions. You know, we even had another opinion, which I think is even more popular with our people. So look over here from this angle. If I can get out of the sun, you can see how we have that kind of lighter color just on the porch. Then we've got that darker color on the rest of the house. So that's just primer, that dark color. But we've been kind of playing around with options. But we're thinking about just going with that darker color on the house and then the lighter color on the porch, just forgetting about the green altogether. So that's number 4. So you guys give me 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'd really appreciate any input there so that you can help us make our decision. Lots of times, this is what happens in the morning. See, you got the kids, early risers are out. Where are they? They're back there somewhere. There they are. They're out on a paddle boat. They go out in the cove and they kind of collect any driftwood that's in the cove. Then we take it over and we put it in a little burn pile, and we have a little campfire later. So that's kind of fun. All right, so let's talk a little bit about home maintenance. Not much today because we're kind of in a different mode today. But if you kind of look behind, we haven't cut our grass yet. So, you know, that's kind of stuff that we like to do. We'll come down and we like to have fun. We like to play. We like to kneeboard, water ski, all sorts of things on the water. We have a lot of fun. We even try to build pyramids sometimes, you know. So we get pretty into it. But we don't despise the fact that we got a little bit of maintenance to do. You know, we come down and we do a little mowing, a little trimming, and that's okay. We've even got the house like we see now. You know, it's got to be painted. You know, we're going to get it painted this year. So, you know, that kind of stuff is just kind of normal in our life, and we like it. Another thing we're going to do today is we're thinking, actually probably tomorrow, but you see this right here? That's our empty jet ski lift. It's actually kind of beat up. We need to rewrap it with carpet. The sun got to it there. But we are going to go pick up a jet ski from a friend that I bought tomorrow. So that's going to be kind of fun. We'll drive it across the lake and bring it back here. So we'll have even more options for having fun. So hope you guys are out having fun. I hope you guys enjoy the time that you guys have with your families and your homes. And don't despise that little bit of maintenance you have to do. Sometimes that's good for us. Like the kids are out this morning having fun, but they're also picking up driftwood. You know, we got somebody else wiping out cobwebs. You know, you get cobwebs on the dock. You know, they're all over the place. So we have somebody comes out with a broom and cleans up cobwebs. You know, that's good for the kids to have something to do and have responsibilities, because that's what real life's about, is responsibilities, and it's balancing it in a peaceful way with kind of the other fun stuff that we do. So it's all about having a good balance. And again, that's what we talk a lot about in our lives with our kids. You know, we talk about having a good spiritual, emotional, physical balance. So all those things are very important, and I would encourage you guys to develop those things with your children, if you have children. So anyway, this is something that's strong for us. Here, another thing I gotta do this morning here is drop the ladder down. That's not gonna work. So there we go. Now we got the ladder down for swimming. That'll be good. All right, looks like the boat is almost down off the lift. Usually takes about 5 or 10 minutes, and I think that's what we've been rolling here is about 5 minutes. So it's almost down. So we're getting ready to run out. We got to get some breakfast this morning. We're gonna probably don't care, but we're gonna have some muffins and some fruit, and head out. We're gonna barbecue later today, so it's gonna be nice. Light breakfast, and then we're gonna have the classic lake meal for our afternoon meal. So. All right, guys, I hope you're all doing well. I look forward to connecting with you guys each week. I'm looking forward to getting to know more of you, and I appreciate you all. Have a great week, and remember to help bring your family home.